Hi, my name's Carl Horton. I'm the implantologist at My Dentist Newtown, Wales, and I'm going to talk to you about reasons why I think that you should consider travelling abroad to get your dental implants. So if you're based in Scotland, England, and Ireland, the great news is if you do decide to travel to Wales, you don't need a passport. There is fantastic transport network. If you're travelling, for instance, from the West Midlands, such as Birmingham, it's a two-hour car journey, fairly straightforward. There's a nice motorway system that you can use, and if you don't fancy that, then there's always the country lanes, so you get a beautiful view of the backside of a tractor for a lot of that. It's a wonderful clinic. So again, if you're flying to somewhere like Turkey to get your implants placed, can't guarantee they've got similar technology. At Newtown, we're blessed. We've got fantastic technology. We've got an on-site CBCT machine, which has the ability to take the 3D X-rays, so we can assess there and then the volume of the bone, have a look at how much bone you have, the condition of that bone as well, have a look at the condition of the teeth. We have TCOs in the practice. In fact, we're blessed with two, Sarah and Sam, and they're able to guide you and talk you through that implant process. And we have the wonderful technology of the Trios 5 intraoral scanner. So this is a little device that will take images of your teeth, and it enables us to use the state-of-the-art digital process when we're planning your implant journey, which means that we can actually design the teeth before we've placed the implants, which is the correct way to do it. So we have all this fantastic technology at your fingertips. So when you arrive, you're greeted by the wonderful reception team. If you are traveling by train, it literally is a 2 minute journey walking from the train station. We get many of our patients come from Aberystwyth, and they will often take the train and take the train back. So there's regular train services to Newtown. I hear the journey is a beautiful one, but it's also very nice by car apparently. That 2 minute walk, as soon as you come into reception, you're greeted by the reception team, and if you're unlucky, you may get to sample the coffee. Then once you come in, you're either greeted by the TCOs, Sarah and Sam, as I mentioned, or you may be coming into the surgery, depending on what type of appointment you have. And then once you're in, for the first time, for your first consultation, we'll go through the whole process. We'll have a look at everything that's happening. We discuss your wants and your needs, and then you have a bespoke treatment plan that is bespoke to you, and that will give you an idea of the costs, so you understand what your proposed care is. We understand what you're looking for, and we can give you an idea of what your investment is going to be. The implant systems that we use are Straumann. It's a widely renowned implant system, has an excellent track record in terms of its success rates. Pretty much most implants these days, you're looking at a very high success rate, very few issues, looking at maybe two, three, really unlucky 4% of the time where may get a problem, which means we're looking at a success rate of sort of between 96 and 98%. The aftercare, we've got a great team that we work with. Neil and Adnan are a couple of the dentists to mention. You've also got Katie. So there's a big team of dentists there that have certain areas of expertise in terms of potentially if you're having teeth that are failing and need extracting, we can help you with that. If you have any issues with your gum health, we can help you with that. And if there are any other outstanding issues that you wish to be seen and treated as a new patient, or if any of the referring clinicians would prefer our team to look after you, then we'll liaise with them. We have a very close-knit relationship with our referring dentists, and we work very, very closely with those so that we can give you the optimal dental care and hopefully the optimal implant experience that's going to be far superior than traveling somewhere like Turkey, where where we've seen some issues, unfortunately, where things have gone wrong, although we tend to see mostly issues where things aren't successful. And that's a very difficult conversation to have because more often than not, we're looking at starting again. So sometimes those implants have got to come out and new implants replaced, which is a very expensive process. So to avoid that, I do suggest you consider traveling abroad if you don't already live in Wales. Just cross that border. It's a very easy process. There are no checkpoints yet. Um, and as I say, the journey is a very pleasant one, and we have a fantastic team and look forward to